I love to spend some time with my grill, but you know, sometimes it might be a little chilly. Maybe it's raining, maybe it's too hot. Well, I have got something for you today. I have my man Mike Reichman here, and he has brought City Grill into this building, and man, thank you for bringing it into the house.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. We're going to show you some really exciting things here today, Rance.
All right, so just to put it in perspective, this is a grill right here. It's actually working. He put on some Italian sausages that have been going. You don't see any smoke.
This is a patented grill. There's nothing else like it in the world. It's the only outdoor and indoor UL-approved grill in the world. So you can take this outside, leave it outside. You can bring it indoors, any kind of weather. It's hot outside, it's cold outside, it's raining outside. Bring it in. Stick it on any tabletop. It transfers no heat outside the case. Now, the lid will be warm.
It's a little warm, but it's not, I would burn myself.
No, you won't. This is a double insulated lid.
This is an amazing concept. And so what sets it apart, it's like, because typically when you grill, your juices are flying down and then you get the flame and all that stuff.
That's
but
correct.
The way your grills are set, the burners are actually kind of under the grill, so all the heat stays there.
That's one of the patents. The element actually lives in a channel beneath the grate or the griddle. So we have a griddle too that you can do bacon and eggs and paninis and French toast on a flat surface. That's just drop it in when you're done with this. But that way, nothing hits the element. The element is protected, so you don't get the flame, you don't get the smoke. Anybody else's electric grill, anybody else's charcoal or propane will explode. That's how it works. The juices hit the charcoal, it explodes, vaporizes, and caramelizes, but then you get the smoke and the flame, which is actually a carcinogen, as you know.
Oh, yeah. And so we were talking about the grill. So let's open this up. There is a griddle here.
Yes.
And they've actually got utensils for you, too. You guys are all in one-stop shop.
We're a one-stop shop.
I like it.
Absolutely.
I like it.
So, yeah, the griddle works the same way. So, in fact, I kind of brought this one as a show and tell to show you. So you can see the channel in the bottom. So the element, this is the element, fits inside this channel and transfers 90% of the heat. So it means completely even heat. No hot spots, no cold spots. The temperature is the same across the entire surface. When you're done, this can go in the dishwasher. Wipe it down with a wet paper towel. The lid can go in the dishwasher. The pan, the drip pan can go in the dishwasher. The grate or the grill can go in the dishwasher. This whole lid just pops off in a second, and you're done.
Also something to consider, this is something, because when people are out boating and stuff, this is something they can use on their boat.
Absolutely. It's made from marine-grade U.S. steel, USA steel, so it never rusts. This is a lifetime warranty on this stainless steel. You'll have this grill forever.
My lifestyle is changing, and that's what you guys are about.
Yeah.
Really quick, let's talk about these utensils that you guys have. I know the grill is a focus, but when it comes to utensils, you guys have made this as easy as possible for cleaning as well.
Yeah, so not only that, okay, so the lifetime warranty utensils, they designed to fit inside your grill. But little things, like I was showing Rance earlier, like how do you make a better grill brush, a basting brush? Well, what you do, this is all marine-grade stainless, but you know how dirty these get?
Yeah, right.
Okay, you know how disgusting the handles get?
Right. Whoop.
So you pull this apart, you put it in your dishwasher, and it'll look like this forever. It'll be sanitary and ready to use when you're ready to use it.
Yeah, I've got some things that are a little grimy. They have to go out into the trash, and then you have to repurpose and buy. So this is awesome to keep in mind.
The idea of this is you buy it one time, you enjoy it for the rest of your life.
So you guys are seeing these grills, but they have over 100 different styles. And you guys do built-ins?
Yes, we do. We make grills as the size of this tabletop, but we make over 100 different grills, different styles, different controls, different lids for any application. We're big into condominiums. We're big into commercial, even small restaurants.
Consider me intrigued. So while you tell everybody where they can find you online, I'm just going to grab one of these. I'm going to get grimy.
No, get in there. You're not going to get grimy.
It's warm. See, I'm using their utensil. So where can people find you online?
It's cookwithkenyon.com.
Mm-hmm. And then that's where they can find it, see all the displays, place the orders.
Well, obviously, we can't put 100 grills on cookwithkenyon.com, but we have what they call a build-your-own grill. Mm-hmm. So you pick out what you want, the size you want, how the application is, what kind of controls you want, and you build your grill.
He built my happiness right here with this sausage.
I'm so glad.
This grill, let's call him my name. I will share. You guys have to go get your own, but me and Tom, we're about to do some work up there in our River City Live offices, so thank you for hanging out with us.
Rance.
Get you some City Grill, y'all.